Hey classers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for Clash of Clan tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a second Clash of Clan account without messing up your current one. Let's dive in. First, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open Clash of Clan application. Having a second account is a great way to practice new strategy, fresh start or even support your main account. But don't worry, I will show you how to switch between them smoothly. First thing first, make sure your current account is linked to Supercell ID. Now, let's create the second account. Log out of your current Supercell ID. Once you are logged out, the game will ask you to start a new village. Create your new village and follow the tutorial. You have to enter your age. Once the tutorial is done, head back to the settings and connect this new village to a different Supercell ID email. You have to tab in Register a Supercell ID. Hit and continue, and you just have to type in your new email address. On the second bar, you have to retype your email address and hit on create. And remember, you need a unique email for every account. To switch account, tap onto these settings and tap onto the Supercell ID, and you will see your different profiles in the screen, and tap onto the profile which you want to log in with, and it's that easy. You have to use different email for each account. Don't share your Supercell ID with anyone. Save your credentials securely. You have to always double check you are logged into a correct account before making purchases or upgrades. That's it classers, you are now ready to dominate with multiple accounts. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.